Bluetooth without connection, Twit speaker. After 1 year of research, making, and testing, magic of sound reduction, feel the vicarious pleasure of high quality. Unlike other speakers, we use high-class intermagnetic field speakers, differing with small size and low magnetic dispersion. Your own speaker, DIY version gives you the fun of crafting. Regardless of cost, we pursue the best quality. The use of 100% wooden chambers and sound holes brings you the best sound enjoyment. It provides clear sound quality as if you are at the sim. It has 2 precisive sensors. Both ends of cell phone placing slot are installed with high precisive sensors to actively receive the sound effect from smartphones. The easiest way to play music ever. Listen to your music within 2 seconds. You don't need to worry about any kind of complicated connection process. Simply play the music and enjoy. We care about every detail in order to create the best experience. Delicate design makes the unique twist.